The planet is our home. Home consists of 7.95 billion of population. Is now being affected by climate change. Human activities, from population growth to pollution, are the main cause of climate change. In Malaysia, we often experience flash floods and soil erosion, which disrupted many lives, jeopardized food security, and caused property damage. Several initiatives have been launched in Malaysia to combat climate change. In 2021, as part of the Greening Malaysia program, the government has launched the 100 million tree planting campaign from 2020 to 2025. At UCSI, we are committed to both supporting the government's initiative as well as achieving the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Each year, UCSI celebrates SDG Month and organizes various SDG-related activities, including preserving Ceras Urban Green Lung, the Sungai Besi Reserve Forest. This year, UCSI is taking a step forward by launching the 3 Plants and 1 Graduate campaign. The campaign is a commitment of UCSI and RCE Greater KL to plant at least 3 plants for every graduate through its volunteerism programs and extracurricular learning activities. UCSI believes that this campaign will create the urgency among the students and the community to fight climate change. Together with our collaboration partners, WWF, FRIM, the Regional Centre of Expertise Greater Kuala Lumpur, and the Ceras community, UCSI demonstrates its commitment to Malaysia's 100 million tree planting campaign and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Let us all work together to save our future, our home.